How you doing? So today I'm going to make this potato and okra with eggs. I've got a little bit of garlic in there, onions and chili powder. It's super easy, really sort of versatile. You can have it any time of day. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we have 4 eggs here, 2 teaspoons of chili, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of onion. And then we've got okra and potatoes, roughly equal parts in volume. There's like 2 to 3 cups of each, and cut quite small, especially the potatoes, because we're going to fry them off. We want to cook them quite quickly. That's about it. Let's get moving. So what I've got here is 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use a different oil if you want. The heat is on just above a medium heat. We're going to start off by dropping in our potatoes, which you can see are cut fairly small. What we're going to do is we're going to fry these potatoes for 4 to 5 minutes just to get them on their way. I mean, if you wanted, you could use some parboiled potatoes, which would speed up the process. These are uncooked potatoes. Okay, so still a little bit hard, but we're getting a little bit of color on them. We're now going to go in with that 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, nice big pinch or 2 of black pepper, the same with salt, and we're going to go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add in our okra. And again, just go for about 3 minutes or so, stir frying this around in the pan. Really delicious. So for me, I like my okra just like this. You might want to cook it a bit longer. We're now going to add in that chili powder. Now I'm using chili powder, but if you wanted, you could use something else like oregano, thyme, or marjoram, or some sort of spice like that if you wanted, herb. And then what we're going to do now, give us a little mix in, get that chili powder mixed in there. And then we're going to add our eggs, which I've beaten. In it goes. And then it's up to you how obviously you want your eggs. I like mine fairly well done. So I'm going to be another 3 or 4 minutes, stirring all the time. Beautiful stuff. Really easy and delicious. Okay, and there you go. Really nice and easy. Eggs with potato and okra. Like I said, I've got chili in there. You can change that up if you want, but that's a really delicious, easy afternoon meal maybe, or evening meal. In fact, you can have it any time you like, can't you? Keep well, keep safe. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.